Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday, the 28th of January, 2021. I hope that your day is off to a good start. It's not often. Well, let's get to something else first. I've got a good friend in Germany. His name is Elmer. You see him on the side chat of my live streams quite a bit and commenting in my comment section. And he's a wonderful guy, and he sent me a package. I know, I got to get up to the P.O. box to check the rest of the things that are coming in. But I'm going to open this today, and we're going to see what my friend Elmer sent from Germany today. And wow, look at that. It looks like a shirt and Elmer, let's see, lightning, look at that, huh? Look at that, lightning, and he was associated, I believe, with the military over there, and that's pretty cool. Look at that, lightning 2 on there. Thank you, Elmer. And what else do we got? All right, there we go. Let's see that. Is that nice? What is that? It says, Berlin. Looks like a bit of the gate there at Berlin. That's pretty awesome. Thank you, Elmer. And lastly, there we go. He was associated with AWACS base over there. ES Sentry, and you can see the E3 Sentry on the AWACS. So he was very involved with AWACS, the airborne radar that flies around on the top of 747s, and very, very cool. And Elmer, thank you for your service, I'm sure, in NATO. Let's get to today's, and again, thank you, Elmer, today's main event. Sometimes you see some really amazing stuff on YouTube that really makes you pull back and realize that there's people out there that do some incredible, incredible things. A couple of weeks ago, maybe 10 days ago, because I'm still pretty much plugged into what's going on in Asia, it came across my feed of this guy in a wheelchair that saw something that I couldn't, it just defied. I couldn't believe what I was seeing on the clip that I'm going to show you from Inside Edition here. I'm going to link that down in the description box or in the comment section. You guys should really click on that, because what a determined person this gentleman in Asia was. He in a wheelchair, he had lost the use of his legs, and he always enjoyed being a climber. Well, as you'll see from the clip below, this guy's got a lot of guts, and he attempted to do something that was pretty amazing. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag and be a plot killer, but go ahead and click the link below, and I don't think that you will be disappointed. If anything else, it shows you that people out there do some pretty amazing things. And in times of cornholio and strife and unrest, well, it's nice to unplug from that once in a while and check out some amazing people. Click the link in the description box below. Your thumbs up are appreciated. Have yourselves a wonderful Thursday.